Hey there, future real estate moguls. Welcome back to Satoshi Finance. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of real estate investing for beginners. Yes, you heard it right. We're going to unravel the mysteries, demystify the jargon, and equip you with the knowledge you need to take those first steps into the world of property, profits, and potential pitfalls. Whether you're dreaming of building passive income through rental properties, flipping houses for a quick profit, or just looking to secure your financial future, you're in the right place. Real estate investing is like an intricate puzzle, and today we're going to help you put the pieces together. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tips and insights. Now, let's unlock the door to real estate investing for beginners and discover the keys to your future success. Real estate investing involves the purchase, ownership, management, rental, or sale of real estate for profit. At its core, it's a strategy to generate income or realize capital appreciation over time. This multifaceted field offers a spectrum of opportunities, attracting a diverse range of investors, from those seeking long-term wealth accumulation to those looking for shorter-term gains. Real estate as an investment can take various forms, including residential properties, commercial spaces, industrial complexes, and even raw land. Investors are drawn to real estate for its potential benefits, which encompass both financial and strategic advantages. One primary benefit lies in the potential for consistent cash flow through rental income. Additionally, real estate often appreciates in value over time, allowing investors to build equity. Furthermore, real estate investments can act as a hedge against inflation, as property values and rental income tend to rise with the cost of living. However, it's crucial for prospective investors to understand that along with these advantages come inherent risks. Market fluctuations, economic downturns, and unexpected property-related expenses are among the challenges that investors may face. Thus, a comprehensive understanding of the market dynamics, coupled with prudent risk management, is essential for navigating the intricate landscape of real estate investing successfully. In this video, we'll delve into the fundamentals of real estate investing, equipping beginners with the knowledge needed to embark on this rewarding yet nuanced financial journey. Real estate investing offers a diverse array of options tailored to meet different investment goals. Let's explore the varied landscapes within this vast market. Firstly, residential properties are the bedrock of real estate investing, encompassing single-family homes, condominiums, and multi-unit apartments. These investments often appeal to those seeking stable, long-term returns through rental income. On the flip side, commercial properties, such as office buildings, retail spaces, and warehouses, provide opportunities for investors aiming at higher returns with potentially higher risks. The dynamics of commercial real estate involve factors like tenant turnover, market demand, and economic trends. Industrial properties, including manufacturing facilities and distribution centers, constitute another facet of real estate investment. This sector can be lucrative, especially with the rise of e-commerce and the increasing demand for logistics spaces. Each type of property comes with its own set of considerations and requires a unique approach. Beyond property types, understanding the temporal aspect of real estate investments is crucial. Long-term investments like rental properties offer a steady income stream and the potential for property appreciation over time. On the other hand, short-term investments, commonly associated with house flipping or real estate development, involve a quicker turnaround for profits. Balancing a portfolio with a mix of long and short-term investments can provide both stability and opportunities for higher returns, creating a diversified strategy that aligns with your financial goals. In this video, we'll break down these options further, helping you navigate the diverse terrain of real estate investment possibilities. Embarking on a journey into real estate investing is akin to navigating uncharted waters, and a compass in the form of thorough research and education is your best ally. Market dynamics, property values, and local trends all play pivotal roles in the success of your investments. Before you sign that dotted line, take a deep dive into market research to understand the demand-supply dynamics, potential growth areas, and any external factors that might impact the real estate landscape. This knowledge arms you with the foresight needed to make informed decisions and mitigate risks. Education is the cornerstone of a successful real estate journey. Fortunately, we live in an era where resources abound. Whether you're a paperback aficionado or prefer the convenience of online learning, there's a wealth of information at your fingertips. Books like The Millionaire Real Estate Investor by Gary Keller or Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki offer invaluable insights into the mindset and strategies of successful real estate investors. Online courses from reputable platforms can provide in-depth knowledge on topics ranging from property valuation to market analysis. Engaging in forums and communities allows you to tap into the collective wisdom of experienced investors, gaining practical advice and learning from their successes and challenges. So grab your notepads and get ready to explore the world of real estate education, because in this game, knowledge truly is power. As you step into the realm of real estate investing, having a well-thought-out financial plan is your compass through the complex terrain of property markets. The first cardinal rule is to set a clear and realistic budget. Define your financial capabilities, including the amount you can comfortably invest, and consider both short-term and long-term financial goals. This budget not only guides your property search but also acts as a safeguard against overextending yourself, ensuring a sustainable and profitable investment journey. Once the budget is in place, the next crucial step is understanding the financial intricacies of your potential investment. Calculate the potential returns by estimating rental income or resale value and factor in possible expenses such as property taxes, maintenance costs, and mortgage payments. Understanding the concept of cash flow is paramount. It's not just about what you earn, but also what you spend. Positive cash flow ensures that your property is generating more income than it costs to maintain, providing financial stability and the potential for further investments. In this video, we'll guide you through the nitty-gritty of financial planning, ensuring that you're not just navigating the real estate market, but doing so with a robust financial foundation. So, get your calculators ready, because in the world of real estate investing, numbers are your trusted allies. Welcome to the roller coaster of real estate investing, where strategic risk management is your safety harness for the unpredictable twists and turns. While the potential rewards can be exhilarating, it's essential to have a well-thought-out plan to navigate the inherent risks. First and foremost, diversification is your key to resilience. Don't put all your eggs in one property basket. Spread your investments across different types of real estate or various locations to mitigate the impact of a downturn in any single market. This diversification strategy acts as a safeguard, helping you weather market fluctuations and economic uncertainties. Contingency planning is your safety net in the world of real estate, where surprises are par for the course. Identify potential risks specific to your investments, whether it's market volatility, unexpected maintenance costs, or changes in local regulations. Having a contingency fund set aside can soften the blows of unforeseen circumstances, allowing you to adapt and overcome challenges without jeopardizing your entire investment portfolio. In this video, we'll delve into the art of risk management, arming you with the tools and knowledge needed to navigate the real estate landscape with confidence. So, buckle up, because in the world of real estate investing, it's not just about anticipating the highs but also preparing for the lows. Embarking on a real estate journey often requires financial acumen, and understanding the array of financing options available is paramount for beginners. One of the most common methods is securing a mortgage, which involves borrowing money from a financial institution to purchase a property. Mortgages typically come with varying interest rates and terms, and understanding the nuances of these agreements is crucial for making informed decisions. Loans are another avenue, offering flexibility in terms of repayment schedules and interest rates. These can be obtained from traditional banks, credit unions, or even private lenders, each with its own set of advantages and considerations. For those venturing into real estate with limited capital, partnerships present an intriguing option. Collaborating with other investors or even forming joint ventures can provide access to additional funds, expertise, and shared responsibilities. However, navigating partnerships requires clear communication, well-defined roles, and legally sound agreements to mitigate potential conflicts. Now let's talk about leveraging in real estate. While financing is a powerful tool, it's a double-edged sword. Leverage involves using borrowed capital to increase the potential return on investment. This can amplify profits, especially in a rising market. However, it also magnifies losses if the market takes a downturn. It's a high-risk, high-reward strategy that demands careful consideration. In this video, we'll dissect these financing options, unraveling the intricacies of mortgages, loans, and partnerships, and helping you decide the best approach for your real estate endeavors. So, whether you're saving up for a down payment or considering the pros and cons of leveraging, get ready for a deep dive into the financial foundations of real estate investing. In the dynamic world of real estate investing, the mantra location, location, location holds profound significance. Understanding your local real estate market is akin to having a treasure map that guides you to hidden gems and safeguards you from potential pitfalls. The dynamics of real estate can vary widely from one locality to another, influenced by factors such as economic conditions, job markets, and demographic trends. Therefore, before making any investment decisions, it's paramount to gain a comprehensive understanding of the local market. Market analysis involves more than just scanning property listings. It requires a keen eye for trends, property values, and growth potential. Keep an ear to the ground and monitor factors such as neighborhood development plans, upcoming infrastructure projects, and the overall economic health of the area. Scrutinize historical property data to identify patterns and assess whether a particular market is on the rise or facing challenges. Networking with local real estate professionals, attending community events, and engaging with online forums can provide valuable insights into the pulse of the market. In this video, we'll guide you through the art of deciphering local market nuances, offering tips on how to conduct thorough research, identify emerging trends, and make informed decisions based on the unique characteristics of your chosen area. So, get ready to become a local market expert and elevate your real estate investment game by mastering the intricacies of your own backyard. Navigating the landscape of real estate investing requires more than just a sharp business sense. It demands a solid understanding of the legal and regulatory framework that underpins property transactions. Real estate deals are governed by a myriad of laws, and being on the right side of them is paramount for a successful venture. From drafting airtight contracts to navigating complex zoning regulations, legal considerations are the foundation upon which your investments stand. Understanding local zoning laws is crucial, as they dictate how properties can be used and developed. Zoning regulations not only impact the type of structures that can be built, but also influence property values and potential income streams. A property that aligns with zoning laws can unlock its full potential, while violations can lead to legal troubles and financial setbacks. Property taxes are another significant aspect of the legal landscape. They vary by location and can significantly impact the overall profitability of an investment. Being aware of current tax rates, potential changes, and available exemptions is vital for effective financial planning. In this video, we'll delve into the legal intricacies of real estate transactions, providing you with insights into the importance of compliance with zoning laws, understanding property taxes, and navigating the regulatory landscape. So, gear up to become well-versed in the legal side of real estate investing, ensuring that your ventures not only thrive, but do so within the bounds of the law. Embarking on a successful real estate investment journey is rarely a solo endeavor. It's a team sport. Assembling a reliable and skilled team can be the linchpin that propels your ventures to new heights. One of the key players in this ensemble is the real estate agent. A seasoned agent not only brings market knowledge and negotiation skills to the table, but also acts as a valuable guide throughout the entire investment process. From identifying lucrative opportunities to navigating complex transactions, a trustworthy real estate agent is an invaluable asset. Equally essential to your team are contractors who can turn your property visions into reality. Whether you're considering renovations for a fix and flip project or upgrades to enhance rental appeal, having a reliable team of contractors ensures that your projects are completed efficiently and within budget. Their expertise can significantly impact the overall success of your investments. Property management is the final pillar of a robust investment team. A skilled property manager takes the day-to-day responsibilities off your plate, handling tenant relations, property maintenance, and other operational tasks. This allows you to focus on strategic decisions and growing your investment portfolio. Networking within the real estate community is the key to finding these essential team members. Attend local real estate events, join online forums, and engage with professionals in your area. Building relationships not only opens doors to valuable insights, but also helps you find individuals who share your vision and commitment to success. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of building your dream team, offering tips on finding the right real estate agent, contractors, and property managers, and sharing strategies for effective networking within the real estate community. So, get ready to transform your investment journey by surrounding yourself with the right people who can turn your real estate dreams into reality. And there you have it, future real estate tycoons. We've covered everything from understanding the different investment options to the crucial aspects of financial planning, risk management, and the intricacies of local markets. Remember, real estate investing is not just about properties. It's about making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. If you found value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on more in-depth insights into the world of real estate. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, drop them in the comments below. We're building a community of like-minded individuals passionate about real estate, and your input is invaluable. As you embark on your real estate journey, remember that education is your most powerful tool. Keep learning, stay curious, and surround yourself with a supportive team. From the highs of success stories to the lessons embedded in mistakes, each experience is a stepping stone toward your financial prosperity. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, happy investing.